Hello, this is Scott. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I cover a variety of different data science and analytics topics, everything from open source platforms, commercial platforms, demos, discussions, and everything. Hopefully you've joined me before. Tonight I'm going to talk about continuing on with some graphics in open source R. And so this is R series. I think it started with about 71. I do have a playlist for my R videos as well as some other playlists that are out there as well. So if we could jump right into it, we're going to go into RStudio, and I've been working with these three packages, so I'm just going to go ahead and load those packages up, the stats, graphics, and lattice package. And I've been using a lot of data sets and everything that are available in Sarkar and Springer. You can search for that book. It's a very good book on Lattice. And so we've used before this R83 data set out of the mass package. And specifically, we're going to look at the table. If I look at the, so this is the number of cylinders that are going to be used in each car. And then I'm going to superimpose this symbol and use the trellis package. I'm going to create a panel, and you can reproduce this certainly. You can just screenshot this and use this code. And so I'm going to use the XY plot. This is part of the Lattice package that we've been using. And so what I get here is I essentially get a panel plot, three different panels, and then you can see the color-coded, the number of cylinders, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And then along the y-axis, I get the average price in dollars. And then for each panel, I get the engine size in liters, 1 through 5. Actually, I guess it's 1 through 6, I guess. Yeah, 1 through 6. There are a couple of 6 liters in this driver only panel. Anyway, and then here's an alternative using the auto key. So let's just go through that real quick. So again, this is the same data, but I'm using the auto key here. And so if I execute this, I'll get a single plot, and then the categories are going to be denoted by each of these symbols. So again, these are the different cylinders that we were just using, and then whether they're filled or not filled, or is going to be driver and passenger, driver only, or none. So solid means that it's none. The light gray, like right here, is going to mean this one is going to be 4-cylinder, and it's going to be driver only. So that allows you to create, to look at 2 category dimensions and then 2 numerical dimensions. So there's 4 dimensions on this plot. It's a 4 variable plot, price, engine size, whether it's passenger or driver, and then the number of cylinders. So anyway, hopefully that was useful, and you'll join me again. Thanks.